Are you sitting on a cash cow? So many of today's homeowners are sitting on a tremendous amount of equity. Coming up, I'll show you what I mean, and you can decide if it's time maybe for you to cash in. My name is Keith Connors. I'm a Realtor broker associate at Charles Rutenberg Realty here in Clearwater. Subscribe to the channel below or call us anytime at 855-MR-BEACH. I tell everybody, when you know the market, getting your best deal can be child's play, and it makes it kind of fun too. Now, are you sitting on that cash cow? So many homeowners are sitting on a tremendous amount of equity. You got to check this out. According to the latest data, over 2/3 of homeowners have more than 50% equity in their homes. It's unbelievable. Here's why that's such a big deal if you're looking to move. When you sell, of course, you can use the equity you have in your home to help you buy your next house. And you may actually have enough to cover some, if not all, of the down payment. Perhaps you've even been in your house for a while. It may even be enough for you to buy your next place in cash, and some folks will even have extra cash left over depending on where you move. Now, want to know how much equity you've got? I can do a professional equity assessment report for you, just for you, anytime. You can see your estimated home value. It's fast, it's free, it's easy right now at whatismyhomereallyworth.com. I'll also show you 5 different valuation tools we use, including a linear plot graph analysis used by appraisers for accuracy. When you dig a little deeper, you know the real numbers, then you know you're going to get your best deal when selling the home. Now, visit whatismyhomereallyworth.com or call me anytime at 855-MR-BEACH.